Oh my god, bro. Those are garbage cans. At least 5 feet tall.
There is no fucking
There
way to
is
get out.
nothing. Victor came from New York tonight. There's one truck down there, and that is actually the only truck that has been down this street all night. There has not been a car there. There it is actually right there.
And there's a city truck.
City truck. I'm sure that's the only car that's going to be around tonight. Victor, look at that. Look at that wind. It's blowing all that snow around. Where's the car, Victor? Look at that.
Is thick over there.
Look at that. Car is almost buried in that. It's sick.
Mustang? I can barely see that
The
motherfucker.
Mustang
It's done.
is under all that snow. That's a car, I think.
And we out, motherfuckers.